Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I thought of sharing something which is very helpful for everyone, particularly at present. It is always important to keep our body nourished with plenty of vitamins and minerals, and that's readily available in fruits and vegetables. So in today's video, we will see how to blend them in different ways for boosting our immune system. Please check the below description for clear understanding. Thank you and take care.